To increase system vibration intensity level on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find sound and vibration. Tap sound and vibration. Tap system vibration. And then slide the adjustment bar below system vibration intensity to the right to increase system vibration intensity level. By doing this, your phone will vibrate in the selected intensity level for the system vibration option you set to enable. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.